gonna start day 2 here in a row. Just done the flats. So I was going to do the Veil Nebula complex. Slightly better. But then I realized that that's not me. Getting a lot more. I got about 3 hours yesterday. 3 hours 20 minutes something. So I thought I'll do something else. I'll do the Crescent Nebula and the nebulosity area around that, and also maybe the cooling tower. Yeah, see how that comes out. And then that could be somewhere to build up on like a mosaic frame or something. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So I just did some flats here. I mean, I haven't changed anything. I can just use the ones I did this morning, but anyway. So let's take this off, point it at the right spot, and go inside and take a look. So inside, and I've been debating with myself here what to do. First, I've been thinking about doing the Crescent Nebula, and try to get the cooling towers in. But then I got shot a frame of the whole region around Saturn, or whatever it's called, Saturn. Anyway, and it's just teeming with nebulosity, and it seems to be a lot of like structures or like dense clouds and stuff. So it looks like a great place. But here you have a framing with the Crescent Nebula, you have Saturn, and then you have some nebulosity, tons of it all over. So I thought, I'm just gonna do a surprise frame here, get Crescent Nebula, get all this in here, and then maybe another night I can just sweep across and do something else. Maybe get this region. So I think I'm gonna do a couple of frames and see what that looks like. Yeah. So first we're gonna try to get the old guiding sorted. Start PhD up. So I was playing with this yesterday and thought I had like a setting for it. Another good thing to do is to just check the focus. Do that first. So I've tried the autofocus, still doesn't work. It tries, it does something, but it just moves everything out, and it just finds some kind of parabola which is completely off, and then so I just I'm just doing it by eyeballing it. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. I don't know if we're suffering from back focus issues or something this close to the edge. That's why you look a bit elongated. But I think we have the star spikes pretty good, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. Yeah, all right. So back to PhD to connect equipment. Connect all. Do we have any stars? We should have tons of stars. All to select a star. So I have one here. Decent signal to noise. Yeah. Let's go. Looks like it was drifting, yeah. So what I changed before is so I'm actually doing 2 times sidereal for guiding. Yeah. At least for declination, we need not that little extra oomph to get it moving and to work with it. And then I'll basically just change it and work with the gains and stuff afterwards. Yeah. So we're making quite long steps, and that you'll see that it's not really moving anywhere, or actually wrong way in. But it's orthogonal anyway, so can accept that. Let's go with it. See what happens. So what did I do? 1 second guiding, 30%, 30%, 1.2. Yeah, I changed that a little bit. Yeah. See if this works its way in. Declination is pretty good, since the polar line is pretty good, I guess. Yeah. So I'm just gonna let it run whatever it does, and I'm going to start my imaging. Yeah. Right. So how's the guiding? Don't care. Let's go. Might be shite. It is shite. Yeah. I'm not going to tweak anything now. I'm going to let it work its way in. Declination is spot on, yeah. It's just in my world anyway. It's right ascension that is a bit shite. I don't want to increase too much because we've got a lot of like really nasty junks, and I can't lower this. Before, with the old version of Stellame, it worked, and with the other guide camera and stuff, it worked really well to go on like 0.5 second guide speed, and it really had time to correct. But now, if I do that, it just craps out the guiding. It just loses frames. It can't handle it. I don't know if that is because of the cables that I'm using or whatever, but it can't handle it. And I did try to use this all guide camera. I mean, it's about 100mm lens, so it would actually be not too far off. But it just got a conflict of this and the guide camera on the chip itself, on the camera itself, and it just wouldn't have it because I also wanted to use the SD4 cable. Yeah, imagine that. But I actually found that it's the USB commands is sometimes a little bit laggish on the Lucid mount. It seems to work. I mean, it's not okay, but and it could be that some of these spikes are actually those commands not coming through. Also, there is like the loop is of a certain size that. Oh, look at this. Oh, I think I. Hang on, I'm not seeing all of it, am I? There we go. Yeah, so we have the Crescent Nebula here, have the cooling tower there, Saturn, and then we have this massive region of nebulosity right here. That's pretty good, yeah. I mean, it's got a lot of things going on in it. I got the stuff I want. I got some massive bunch of extra stuff. I got that little cooling tower there. Yeah. I mean, there's not always nice to have a massive star in your image, but let's just go with it. Yeah. It's not like we're wasting time, are we? So I'm just going to go for like 120 frames-ish. That'll do, won't it? Yeah. Screw it. Let's go. 4 hours. Yeah, so this is a bit funky. We're gonna lose a lot of frames. Like yesterday, I lost about 1/3 because of motion. So I'm just gonna suffer it. Yeah. So that's it.